Dear students, once again, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today, let's do some paper folding activity. This is an A4 size paper. This is an A4 size paper, and with this A4 size paper, how to make a pentagon. We know how to convert a A4 paper into a square without tearing it, and in the same way we know how to make an equilateral triangle without tearing it. Now let us see how to make a pentagon with a A4 size paper. Now let us see. First, you find out the midpoint of this A4 size paper. How to find out the midpoint of A4 size paper? Just you make a horizontal folding, and then you make another fold like this. 4 folds exactly, you do 4 folds exactly. If you do the 4 folds, you can find out the midpoint. You can find out the midpoint exactly. 4 folds you do, you can find out the midpoint. After finding out the midpoint, you open it out. On the creases you open it out. After opening, just you bend this paper towards the midpoint. You bend this paper towards the midpoint. The tip of this paper should come to the midpoint, and you fold it out. And the same way you fold another next one also. You bend it towards the midpoint, and you do it. You fold it towards the midpoint. You fold it, and you fold it towards the midpoint. You fold it. After folding it, you will get this shape. On both two ends we have straight lines, and on the other ends now we will get a, what do we say, 1 2 3 4 5 6, a hexagon. It's not a regular hexagon, it's a hexagon. You get a hexagon. From this hexagon we are supposed to make the pentagon. Just you fold it like this. You fold it like this. After folding it out, what you do is, from these two ends, you just you fold it like this. You fold it in such a way that these two should come in a straight line. These two should, you fold it up to the middle. You fold it up to the middle. This is the middle crease, and in the middle crease you fold it up to here, and here also you put it in up to the middle, and you, so that these two should come in a straight line. You fold it in such a way that this should form a straight line. This should be in a straight line. So in this way this must be in a straight line. This must be in a straight line, approximately it must be in a straight line. You fold it out. After folding it out, you open it, you fold it in this direction on the foldings, and you in this direction also on the foldings, in this direction also on those foldings only, and you just interlock this one. Again I am telling how we have done. After up to here, first of all we fold it like this. Actually we found out the midpoint, and here we got the hexagon, and on the open ends we fold it out, and you fold in this way and this way, and you get a straight line here. After getting the straight line, you just open it, and we have to interlock this one. Open, you go to the other side, and you just interlock these two, and interlock these two. You fold it inside these two, and if you fold it like this, these two, if you fold it like this, and these two also if you fold it like this, we get a pentagon. Now a pentagon is ready with you. With a regular pentagon is made with a A4 sheet paper. With the help of an A4 sheet paper, we can make a regular pentagon. This is the pentagon. Pentagon means what? Having 5 sides. Pentagon means having 5 sides. Here we have the 5 sides here. 5 equal sides we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the regular pentagon we can make with the help of a A4 size paper. without tearing it. So nowhere I have torn it. Just I folded it in the different ways, and we could form the pentagon. Thank you.